Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete this town guide quest where you have to upgrade any dream to level 2. If you go to tabs and go to dreams here, just do the puzzle one. That's the most doable one. Basically, you just need like your points to go from 300 to 500. So it does take a while, but make sure every single day you go to Kaching and you obtain, for instance, like these small puzzles, then the medium one, and then the large ones. You don't have to do these ones because you do have to use stars for it. But here you just need to use your coins to purchase puzzles. You can also help your friend, where is it? I think it's here. Yeah, you can help your friend with their puzzle, and then you also can just do the edge of the puzzle one time. Make sure you claim these dream tokens. Then once you're done, you can go find Annie and you're able to complete the dreams milestone. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!